Hi guys, how are you today? For today's video, we will be making Muchim, or what we call scallion salad. This is a famous side dish in Korea that is commonly served with meat dishes that are grilled and unseasoned, like samgyeopsal or chaddolbagi. This is so easy to follow and really delicious. So let's not waste time and let's get started. First of all, we will slice the scallions. The problem is I don't have a shredder, but actually it's not really a problem because we can do it manually. Next, we need to cut it thinly like this. After slicing, wash it and drain the water afterwards. Make sure your hands are clean. Now it's time to make the seasonings. Add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru powder or chilli powder, a tablespoon of soy sauce, one tablespoon of sugar. I'm using white sugar. Half tablespoon of fish sauce. One tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it all together. Then that's it! Easy, right? The ingredients are so simple and easy to find in the supermarkets near you. And oh, before I forget, you can also put sesame seeds on top. Look at that, so yummy! Really a perfect combo for your grilled meats. But honestly, I can eat this alone. Of course, while watching my favorite K-drama series. That's it for today, guys. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Buyers!